This is a demo of the vintage 1980s Tomy Omnibot. It's model number 5402. We have the remote control, and we will have him come toward us, and we'll turn around and go the other way and continue, and then we'll have him talk. Now recently the tape recorder stopped playing. I don't know if it needs a new belt or not, but I have a tape in there, and when I hit play, we'll switch it over, and you hear, so it's trying to move, so I don't know if it needs a new belt or what have you, but the tape player currently isn't working. Let me open that up and show you. So it definitely pops out, but tape currently doesn't work for some reason, but everything else works. You can adjust here, and then we will, super nice condition.